Welcome to the online classes from Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus. Assalamu alaikum students of class 8 in the online class of social studies. We are studying chapter number 14, international problems, and I'm your teacher, Miss Uzma. Topics we are going to cover are Bosnia and Chechnya. Bosnia and Herzegovina country is situated in the Western Balkan Peninsula of Europe. The large region of Bosnia occupies the northern and central part of the country, and Herzegovina occupies the south and southwest. The region takes its name from the Balkan mountains that stretch throughout the whole of Bulgaria from the Serbian-Bulgarian border to the Black Sea coast. Balkan mean. The word Balkan is Turkish and means mountain, and the peninsula is certainly dominated by this type of landform. Especially in the west, the Balkan mountains lie east-west across Bulgaria. The Rozhov mountains extend along the Greek-Bulgarian border, and the Dinaric range extend down the Adriatic coast of Albania. The Balkans is at present made up of Albania 3.7 million, Bosnia Herzegovina 3.7 million, Croatia 4.5 million, Slovenia 2 million, Macedonia 2 million, and Yugoslavia 11 million. Yugoslavia is made up of Serbia, Kosovo, and Montenegro, the last two of which are hoping to become independent. The total population of nine states is about 27 million, about 2.5 times the population of Karachi. History. Bosnia, the Balkans, is a byword for Caroline states mainly because of the historical background of this southeastern corner of Europe. The people are very mixed ethnically: slaves, Greeks, Eastern Europeans. Some states are nominally Muslim, some Russian Orthodox Church, some Greek Orthodox, and some Roman Catholic. It is not surprising that it is called the powder keg of Europe. Before World War I, there was a series of wars among the Balkan states with differing alliances, and then in 1912 they joined forces to drive the Turkish forces out of Europe. Apart from a small tip of land at Istanbul, in 1914 it was the assassination of Crown Prince Ferdinand in the Balkans which started World War I. Although conquered by Germany in World War II, there was a powerful resistance movement under the communist Joseph Tito, who maintained control until his death in 1980. When the association broke up again into varying factions, a savage and brutal war followed until NATO inventions forced a ceasefire, but the situation is still tense. Conclusion. The Bosnian War was an international armed conflict that took place in Bosnia and Herzegovina between 1992 and 1995. Raids in 1999 were carried out by NATO North Atlantic Treaty Organization on Yugoslavia because of the ill treatment of the Muslims, especially in Kosovo. NATO forces restored peace and Serbs fled back to Yugoslavia. The Yugoslav President Milosevic was tried for the terrible bloodshed by the International Court of Justice in 2002 but died of a heart attack in March 2006. Before the pronouncement of the verdict, it was hoped that he would be accountable for death of more than 2 lakh people. There is no fighting now. Chechnya. Located in the North Caucasus with 100 km of the Caspian Sea lies Chechnya, 17,300 km square. Chechnya has three rivers, the Terek, the Sunsa, and the Organ. There are only 5 cities and towns that have over 20,000 people, one of which is Grozny, the capital. This province has always been a thorn in the side of the Russian authorities, who conquered it only in the mid-19th century. The Chechens have been fighting Russia for their independence. The war there continue unabated with gross atrocities on both sides. The majority of the population is Muslim. It was a self-governing province under USSR. After the World War II, Chechnya was accused of helping the Germans, and the Chechens were exiled to Central Asia, thousands of miles away. In 1957, Chechens were allowed to return, but bitterness prevailed. Chechnya declared independence in 1991. Soviet troops invaded but were driven out. In 1994, the Russians attacked again and took over Grozny. A peace treaty was signed, but the conflict erupted again in 1999. The Russians held on the cities but not on the countrysides. 1 lakh people were killed and 4 times as many were driven out. Battles are not the solution because it carries disaster and pain, as this can show a little with these pictures. War to shape Russia. Conclusion: the Chechens restored to terrorist attack. As a result, technically Chechnya is republic in the Russian Federation, but in practice it is independent, at least inside the main cities. Questions are in front of you. Thank you so much.